What's up, guys? We are at Lake Eola Park, and we are gonna mess with some birds. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and also go check out Christina's page. It's Christina Schultz. Yeah, you do. And let's have some fun with some birds. Alright, so we got us here a bag of jalapeno ranch flavored chips, and we got some birds. Let's see what we can do.
Here comes our friends.
Alright, let's see if we can get these birds to come over here, then we're gonna really fuck with them. Oh, here they come. Oh shit, here they all come. What, are you scared? They're fighting over it. Huh? I just hit that one right in its head. No, not yet. We might. Alright, guys, so let's see if we can get these birds to go in the water. You want it? You want it? Go get it.
We're not dogs.
Did that one just try and kill that one? I'm having way too much fun with this shit. That's what I want. I want one of those to come over here. And I just hit you in the face, and yet you're still sitting. You are a fat-ass bird. There's some fat-ass birds. Alright, let's see if I can hit that one in the face. Ready? Ready? Eh. Yeah. And I hit him. Alright, guys. We'll check back with you guys in a little while.